Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can half swipe on Snapchat. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step that you need to follow is to update your Snapchat application. So let me find Snapchat and update your Snapchat application. Once you complete that step, you simply need to go and open Snapchat. Once you open Snapchat, you simply need to click on the conversation icon, and here you need to hold on the profile picture. Okay, and slide little bit like this and read a message. So let me show you how you can do that. You can simply slide and read a message, and then you move that back again. But if you do by this, you can simply read a message. So this is the process by which you can have swipe on Snapchat. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.